Okay, today we're gonna do a frame swap on the 71 F100. Gonna swap it over to this frame. It's got a Crown Vic front, S550 rear. I'm gonna just do a direct swap the engine and stuff on it, and then have a pretty cool looking truck. So stick around. Alright, we got the bed all unbolted, engine's all unbolted, so we got the A-frame mount. Now we're gonna lift the bed off, put the bed on here, and then we'll move on to the cab. I'm just about to pull the frame now. Got the engine just about unhooked. Rear cab mounts are out. Middle ones are rusted out, so they're just going to pull out. And then this engine's going to go in another project that we got. But yeah, just got a few more things to unhook, and then should be ready to lift the cab right off this thing. Alright, cab's off. Now we're going to start on the engine. Alright, we got one motor mount down, one to go, and then we're gonna get the engine swapped over. Everything on this engine's all unhooked, ready to go. We're just gonna lift it up, radiator and everything, all as one whole package. Drop it right in the other truck, bolt it up, and then we throw in the cab back on it. We've only been working on this since about 9:30, and it's now about 2 in the afternoon, so I think we're making pretty good progress. Well, here she is, the final product of our hard work. Took, I don't know, maybe a day and a half to do, probably 14 hours total. There's still a lot left to do on it. We got finished bolting the bed down. Some of the bolts from the kit we got weren't threading in very well, so we ordered another set. So a little detail on the chassis. This was a friend of mine. He built it for his 67 F100 that had a 6-cylinder in it, stuff like that. So there was a few differences on the motor mounts and fuel line and such. But the front suspension is 03 and up Crown Vic. And then the rear is a 2015 and up Mustang suspension, S550, with a set of coilovers. So sitting on just stock Mustang wheels right now. So there was a few things we had to modify. We had to cut the motor mounts a little bit, move those around, and then the steering shaft was a little different. He had the Bendix style gear, so his steering shaft was longer than the Ford style gear that I had in mind. But all in all, I think we did it right. We ended up taking out the rag joint and just putting a U-joint up there that splined right into the factory shaft. So all in all, rides really good, drives really good, stops really good. This is something I'm gonna do on most of my trucks now, I think. We got a 74 that we're doing right now, and I think that one's gonna get about the same treatment. So I still haven't buffed out this side of the truck yet, but the driver's side of it looks really, really good. So give you a little quick glance under the hood. It's nothing special under there. It's just a 360 C6 automatic, but there you can kind of see the steering shaft. Motor mounts definitely need a little bit of welding done to them and stuff just to tidy them up, but they're, for the most part, they're going to be plenty strong enough for anything we're doing. Got lots of oil leaks and stuff to fix, and lots of rust to fix. So master cylinder, it's just manual brakes, which work awesome on this thing. Power steering's hooked right up to the factory pump and Crown Vic rack and pinion. Brakes, like I said, the master cylinder is an off-the-shelf like Mustang disc master. It all works really well together though. Rides really well, drives really well. The rear end I think is a 331 or a 350 limited slip. So when I do eventually do some upgrades to it, I think I might swap out to like a 4.6 fuel injected and stuff eventually here, but we're just gonna drive it like this for the year and have some fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, come back for more. We're gonna be doing lots of stuff this summer. It's gonna be a big summer of Will It Runs and some projects and stuff, so please subscribe, get that notification so you can see when we're doing more. If you like the stuff, like the video, comment, let me know what you'd like to see or what we're doing wrong that you'd like to see us do better. But as always, take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Also, I just wanted to give a massive shout out to my friend Chad over at Natural Decay Fabrication. He made this whole thing possible. So if you can, head on over to his website. He does parts for anything from 57 all the way to like 72 F100s, does floor pans for the bed, corner pans, cross members, all manufactured by him. Really good products. He's working on some frame stuff, so head on over to his website and see if there's anything you can pick up and support a nice local business.